how to change keyboard language in iPhone. So I can easily change my keyboard language from English to other languages here. See that? So here basically in this video, I'll detail step by step on how you can easily change your iPhone keyboard language. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change keyboard language in iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, scroll down and then select general. Once you selected general, scroll down the page and click on keyboard. Once you select keyboard, click on keyboards. Here you can see I have 8 different keyboards added to my iPhone keyboards. Then click on it. Click on add new keyboard. Then here you have access to other iPhone keyboards. Now I want to add your language keyboard. So just scroll through the entire new keyboard page and add your language keyboard. So you can add as many as possible language you want to add to your keyboard so that you'll be able to change the language while you want to use it. So just keep repeating this process to add multiple languages to the keyboard. And you can see here now we now have up to 10 languages. After that, just hit the back button. Then you should see the number of languages you have added to your keyboard. Here I have 11. Now, to change keyboard language, all you just need to go ahead and open the chart, just like this. Then locate this global icon at the bottom left. Just keep tapping it. And this is going to keep changing your language on the keyboard. You see that? And if you press and hold the global icon, just like this, then you have access to all the languages you can change to on your iPhone. So you can also press and hold it for the keyboard menu to comes up. And once it comes up, then select the language. So that is basically how to change keyboard language in iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.